Hey guys, today I'm going to walk you through how to use the Gizmo rock classification lab simulator. And so we're going to, as normal, start by logging in. And once you are logged in, then go to your class will show up and choose the rock classification. Open up the simulator. And so here we are in the simulator. Now, I'm going to need you to use both tabs. So the first one is characteristics. So first thing is you're going to organize the rocks, these 12 rock examples based on characteristics. And so what you first need to do is make sure that you're in name, because then this way when you choose one, it'll tell you the name of the rock versus label, which just gives you a letter. So we want to choose name. So this one's marble. We want to have view on, because view off means we get nothing. We want view on. So when we choose one, we can see what it looks like. Next thing we want to do is show common characteristics. And we also want to turn on status. So now we know when we've got them in the right place. So the first thing we want to do is make sure that we read about each of them. So we want to learn about the characteristics for igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go grab each rock. You're going to look at what it looks like and look at the characteristics, and then you have to decide which place that it goes. So this says no rocks are classified correctly. That means this one is not in its right place. So you have then to decide which place does basalt go. Does it go here? Still no rock, but if we put it here, rock is classified. So basalt is an igneous rock, and it has some of these characteristics. It says small holes. I see small holes there. So you're going to repeat that for all of these. There's 4 for each category. And when you're done, you're going to go up and take a screenshot of this that will then be inserted in the document, which looks like this. And you would put that screenshot right in here for characteristics. The next thing we're going to do is then we go to location, and now we're going to sort them not by characteristics, but by where they form. So we want to again have show classification names. As you can see, it says igneous extrusive, igneous intrusive, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic. So pick your rock. Again, we can put it in one of the boxes. If it's in the right place, it'll say. If it's not, then it will say no rocks are classified correctly. So you need to figure out where slate goes. So there we go. Slate is a metamorphic. Okay. So once you get them all placed, then you're going to do the same thing, and you're going to take a screenshot and insert that screenshot in this spot for location. And then using all that information, you need to tell me what are some basic characteristics of each of the rock types: igneous, sedimentary, metamorphic. You need to tell me what are the names of examples for each, and then you need to tell me how they form. You're going to do that for each of the rock types using the information from the characteristics. And once you get them sorted, the names of them are on there. So this one here is a metamorphic, and it's slate. So if we put our thing, it says slate is a metamorphic. And then you're going to do that and there's 4 in each category. So once you're done with all that, then you will have all of this information completed, and you can submit that and turn it in. And that's all there is to using the Gizmo lab on rock classification.